3 years ago, Apple introduced the M1 14-inch MacBook Pro, a groundbreaking machine for creators. Since then, we've seen newer models like the M2, M3, and M4 hit the market. So why did I choose the M1 in 2024? The answer lies in its unmatched value for the budget and its ability to handle everything I need: video editing, photo editing, and filmmaking. If you're someone who loves chasing the latest gadgets, this video might not be for you. But if you value reliable tools that get the job done without breaking the bank, you'll want to stick around. Welcome to Frame by Frame. Let's get into the unboxing of the M1 14-inch MacBook Pro. Let's start by unboxing this beauty. The packaging is premium, as always, with Apple's signature attention to detail. Wow! Here it is, the 14-inch MacBook Pro. Let's set it aside for a moment and check out what else comes in the box. In the box, we have a few essentials: the 67-watt USB-C power adapter, a USB-C to MagSafe 3 charging cable, and a user guide along with Apple's warranty card. I love this MagSafe connector. It's designed to detach easily if the cable gets pulled, preventing the laptop from falling. A thoughtful touch. Now, let's take a closer look at the MacBook itself. First, let me take a moment to appreciate how it feels and even smells. Yes, it's that new device smell. The design is stunning. Let's go over the ports quickly. 1 HDMI port, 3 USB-C/Thunderbolt 4 ports, an SD card slot, a 3.5mm headphone jack. This model features a gorgeous 14-inch liquid Retina XDR display with a resolution of 30,024 by 19,064 pixels. Under the hood, it's powered by the M1 Pro chip, 16 gigabytes of RAM, and a 1 terabyte SSD, perfect for creators like me who need speed and reliability. Let's boot it up and set it up. The setup is straightforward. We'll choose the language, connect to Wi-Fi, and we're ready to go. This is a tool designed to help creators be more productive and creative, and I can't wait to start using it for video and photo editing. That's it for today's unboxing of the M1 14-inch MacBook Pro. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you have any questions or want to see a detailed review, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video. Peace.